Very good night to all. Actually, there was a lot of work at my website only today. So I just wanted to tell you that I have a very latest Insta handle. I am very active through all the Insta handles for my toys, my soft toys, for my newborn toys, and the other one is for my Avenger toys. Now this is the latest one, and it has already got 45 followers. So you can see, I very it's very urgent for me to make these Insta handles, because many of the customers today these days are not they don't reach to my website directly. They come through my Insta handle. I think most of you viewers here are also connected through my Insta only, and now you're at my WhatsApp number. So these all range, are there with my in my stock only, and the items which are not with me, you can actually send the image, and that too we can turn it around, quickly, because stationery is something very near to my place only, the stationery hub, the biggest stationery wholesale dealer. So we can turn it around in a single day and within few hours also, on the exclusive stationery services that we provide. Look, these has got along with toys also, some of the items. And now let me, this magic water boot is also part of, there's a return gift insta also, I'll show you someday. So these sketch colors are very fast selling. I do not post anything at the status. If something is most of the customers understand that I just would like to post my teddy bear and the battery services which I provide, the exclusive services. I do not want to show anything to everyone now, but just look at my Insta handle. This is all creativity by me only. So this is just one handle. Now let me just show you what the other handle is. This is return gift handle. So this has also started doing good. You can see here 55 followers. So all these return gifts range you can find here. You don't need to approach me at my website. These all are available actually right now. So most of them are available. Some of them are not in stock. But look at the height of the variety. Now let's go to the most successful handle. That's the toys handle, basically Toys Shop Noida. So that's the most successful handle which I have. I Whatever I update on the status mostly comes from here on a daily basis. So you can already see lot many items are, lot many item comes from here for most of the kids that I serve, and all these kind of things. Now I can show you my fourth successful Insta handle. That's all hard work done by me only. So don't get shocked, because I had all the time when there were not too many customers. So this is all just exclusive for the newborn services only that I do. You look all here, the newborn items. There are many people I served for the newborn, the teddy bears. So this is, and the major hot Insta is the soft toys handle. It's this here. So all these soft toys services, exclusive services, directly actually comes from my Insta. So all those my achievements, teddy bears, and all these exclusive services. Now I would like to show you the girls' toy shop. This is a different handle. So every Insta handle has got the starting already, a good starting. So all these girl-related toys you find it here only. That's Sea Dolls and all those Peppa Pig's soft toys. Kitchen set is something very exclusive with me, and this Peppa kitchen set is also there with me, quite many number of pieces. Now what is left? So I think I've covered most of them. This is the Avengers. This has got maximum followers. I think most of the people are, look, there's one query at the soft toy and stuff. This keeps on happening actually, a lot many queries during the whole day. So I that's why at times I do not you might see a very dumb response from my side, but most of the times I'm very active. By the grace of Guruji, these things are only happening. And the last the hot segment of mine. So if you want to know, if you're curious about the battery services, this has got the maximum followers. So I understand, most of the people from all India level, they are interested for these battery car, jeeps, and all my achievements here. You can see I'm standing with somebody, and somebody is holding a car. I've given the bike to somebody. So all these here, right? and this is the recent Mercedes customer video is here. So if you want to follow all these, you can actually this Mr. Uh, Chandra is here standing with my brother. So all these different types of Insta I operate with, along with my very successful e-commerce website in a very quick time, in less than actually 1 year, it has started proceeding the results. But still feel, I'm not complete as of now. Even if you have the very successful website, it will be hard to believe that you are doing something good. So I have all the achievements and all my different Insta handles you can see. So that's it. This is all about me. I just wanted to give you some hint about my Insta handles and about my website. So please go and follow if you want to do that. If you are interested in any of these segments, so these are all. This first is Toy Shop Noida, Avengers, India Girls Toy Shop, Soft Toys. So these are all I am uploading, and this one, and that's my personal handle. So these are very active Insta handles. Thank you.